Hi guys, follow up for the missile gyro unit. So I did manage to take it apart completely to individual units. I did not record a video of it because it was quite tricky and with stuck screws and so on. But I will probably make a video of a reassembly process, which is basically the reverse order. So here is the cover part of the frame with which is holding the connectors. This is just still aluminum sheet cover. Here you have holes for the wires, standards for the two connectors. This brass part must be a coaxial guide for putting the missile together, and must be a reference guide for the assembly. I think the next section have a mating plug that goes inside this. So this part is made of cast aluminum, it seems, with a black anodized finish. On the other side you have guide pin here for the assembly, and you have this thing which is holding the electronics pack. So you can see there is some foam, looks like expanded foam with rubber pads, brown rubber pads here. And that is all for this part. So the next main frame part, so the covers are just aluminum sheet. And you can see it is basically the same kind of stuff with mounting points for here for the gyros, here for the inverter, the motor inverter, and here the matching other side for the electronics pack with the same rubber finish. Black rubber here, not sure why, so just for dampening purpose probably. And here, so manufacturer plate, Matra type 209. I will need to Google it a little bit. Then you can see it is quite strong here. There is a built-in handle for carrying the part. It is supposed to be locked by this thing, but it is not working very well again anymore. These two plugs here are access holes for potentiometers in the electronics. And here on the side you have one screw hole, one over here, so I believe it is for the assembly to the missile structure. And you can see this flat area here is probably for allowing cables to go from one side to another, because there is no electrical connection this side. Okay, some little bit of hardware. These are the mountings for the electronics. So looks like we have a folded aluminum sheet welded here with some filling material here, and again rubber. There are two of them. You can see they are pretty heavy in fact. And apart from that, this is the piece holding all the connectors for the gyros to the electronics pack, and it is quite a neat design because you can see in fact the screws go in the connectors, but they are not screwed to them, so you have just to lift it and it will free up the three plugs. These are the mountings for the dynamotor. Here we have big Allen screws for assembling the main cover. And it is all so far. Thanks for watching.